leaving Westfield Liverpool. It's really big, probably about the same size as Parramatta.
He's totally out of addiction to alcohol. He's totally out of addiction to drugs. He's totally out of addiction to pornography. He's totally out of addiction from adultery. He's totally out of addiction from sexual immorality. He's totally out of addiction from homosexuality. He's totally out of addiction.
So I'm not quite sure what this road's called, but it seems to be some sort of walkway. So let me just turn around. It's right there in this Westfield. So Western Sydney University. So it's right adjacent to that. St. Luke's Ministry Centre. So most of these shops are closed. Liverpool Plaza. Have a quick look in here and come back out.